I'm videoing now.
Yeah, block the feed hopper blocked again. Every stick it blocks. You've got to get into the cutters, and then the only way to clear it is to bypass the safety thing. You'll put the nut back in. Going to run it and then push the feed back through. Pause it now.
Okay, there we go.
Now I've got to clear it. I've got to push all the stuff back through the hopper. I've put the nut back in to make the engine start, which isn't safe, but it's the only way to clear it. Switch it on, it helps. Feed clear again. Let's see how long it takes to jam up again. I'm expecting 1, maybe 2 sticks. All the sticks have had the leaves taken off because that made it worse. I've even taken the side branches off because I thought that might be causing it. So let's see. Pause it again. Ready to go again. That managed 2 sticks. Nothing too big, safety in place. Rubber's fallen apart because I've had to put so many sticks in and out to try and clear it. And let's see what it looks like inside. And this is all freshly cut as per instructions. The unit's just not fit for purpose, absolutely not. And maybe I've got enough one. There it is, all completely choked. I've probably got as much sawdust on the floor. Hands into the cutters, not very clever. Get the spanner in there, get it all clear. And then
can I see back at step 1, exactly where you were when you started the video?
Yeah, hold on, I've got to push it back through from the other side, otherwise, well, the only way to clear it now, oh God, where did I put the nut? Oh God, I now don't have the nut to press on the switch.
Would you like me to pause it?
Oh, there it is, right. So now what we have to do is bypass the safety feature to get the stuff to come back through again. Again, absolutely ridiculous, completely not fit for purpose. Such a shame. The feed mechanism is diabolical. The power on the machine is fantastic. That's all I can say. But they're absolutely useless for shredding, for making wood chips. So we bypass the thing again, put that on there, put that on there. this shredder, absolute waste of money, don't buy it, and I'm going to hopefully send this back. I don't know if they're going to collect it with petrol in, but useless, absolutely useless.